What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we have another unboxing for you. If you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on away from the body. Be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So here is the device itself. Ooh, yes, sir. This is a power bank for the Steam Deck. This is from NEWQ, and this is the 2-in-1 Steam Deck power bank, as well as a case for the Steam Deck as well, I believe. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the NEWQ power bank for Steam Deck. So I'm gonna go find my Steam Deck in a bit. We're gonna open this up first and see what it looks like, and then I'll see what it looks like on the deck. Now, some important specs to note: this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery and a 65 watt 2-port power bank. So you're going to be able to charge not only the Steam Deck, but I believe another device as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we have plastic casing here. We can pull the case out. So it is good to see that the battery and the case itself separates. It has a little stand here, so you can still stand up your Steam Deck, which is pretty cool. And I believe the rest of this is just sort of made to connect the battery itself. So I'm not going to mess with that too much just yet. But yeah, you can see what it looks like here. And you can see that the stand just sort of pops out there. Now, let's see what else is in the box, because we do have some more here. So we have this, which is one holder. I'm going to pull out the next one because we do have another. So we have a second holder here. We have a USB-C to USB-C charger, and it is a RAV Power branded charger. And then we have a shorter USB-C to USB-C here, so that you don't have to have a long cable hanging off when you're using it. Now let's go ahead and open up the power bank itself. We do have a instruction manual here. And then here is the power bank. Ooh. So a very nice NEWQ logo. It has a matte feel to it. Here are the specs in the back. I'll try and get a nice zoom in of that. There we go. Hopefully that's pretty clear. And we can see that it has the standard USB-C and USB-A chargers right up front, and then a battery checker on the left. So you can see that they sent it with 50% battery. So that is there. Now we're going to try and get this connected. So I believe it looks like these kind of like go in and snap to the back, and then this just snaps right on. I think they gave an extra just in case you lose it or that one breaks, because I don't think you can use two at the same time. But that is the device. You can see that it still opens up fully in the back, and then we can just plug in this little USB-C to the side. Now let me go ahead and grab my Steam Deck and show you what it looks like on it. All right, so here is my Steam Deck, and I seem to have lost the device. Here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and place it over the Steam Deck and just snap it on like so. You can see that the bottom does kind of stretch out a little bit so that it can fit properly, and it is being held on very well. We're gonna center this so that the fans still can blow through. And then we're going to plug in the USB-C on top. So you can see that it's now charging from the battery to the Steam Deck, and it doesn't look any very outrageous or anything crazy like that. But on the back, you can see it is a massive 20,000 milliamp hour battery, which should help your Steam Deck last for a very long time. Obviously, this is going to add some weight, so be aware of that when you're using it, that this is going to be a lot heavier than it normally is, but with the extra time that it offers, I think this is an awesome investment. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thank you so much to NEWQ for sending this over. Massive battery for the Steam Deck, super cool, and I'm excited to take this on my next trip. Hope you have a good one. Peace.
You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech. Mike the Tech, the architect. Mike the Tech, Mike the